I'm really happy to introduce Build Your Own Web Messengers with Peggy and Yulia Gazer. Thanks.
All right, thanks so much everyone for showing up. We are Yulia and I'm Peppy, and we're two artists from New York, and we make fun electronic projects on our YouTube channel, which is called Wormy Collective. Let's get right into it. Who here has soldered before? Okay, cool.
Make today.
So I made a pair of love messengers. Press this little button and it lights up from wherever you are as long as you have a connection, and this one. I liked having people who were able to help me through this process because I've never been a coder. I've done coding before, but in like 7th grade. So it's been quite a long time since I've done any of it, but to have a little trinket that you can use and give to your family members or friends, this is awesome.
So today we made this this little thing with an ESP32. It's an Arduino board, and it allows us to wirelessly communicate with Firebase. So when you press one button, the other one is going to light up, and every once in a while they basically check this Firebase app, like, hey, did this flag change? And then as long as you're both connected to the internet, you can kind of send a signal along.
Oh, very cool. Okay.
Over the years, I had certain ideas when I first made it. And over the years, it's been interpreted in many different ways, which I'm really open to, and I appreciate and I welcome. And I like how art can do that. And this is the first time that I'm opening it up as a platform for all of you to have input your own creative ideas. So I'm really excited to see what you all bring to this project. I know it's humorous, it's absurd, it's whimsical, but
let's just do it in context that's like raising your hand or you finish it. Okay, so for those of you who are not actually holding a soldering iron, you're in the process of running the wires or you finish running the wires? Right, so as I said, what you can do is strip about a quarter inch.
I'm actually going to be
a little bit of it.